What you'll need to do now is in Show My Homework, make sure that you have clicked the link to your class for Bandlab. It's really important that you sign up to the educational version of Bandlab, not the general version. As you can see in my address bar right now, it says EDU at the beginning, which means it's the educational version. You will then be put in a group with the rest of your class, and then you can create projects from your profile from there. So once you're in Bandlab, what I'd like you to do is click this icon here, which is the folder with a little couple of quavers in there. Of course, you knew that. So a couple of quavers, that's your library. So click on there. There's obviously the tutorial that I've done for the creating music project. That's where I did all the work for that. But I'm going to start a new project now. So what you need to do is click on Mix Editor just here. This will then load you a new project. What you then need to do is insert a track, which is a voice and mic track to capture your voice or any sound, okay? Unfortunately, with Bandlab, we can only do this on computers and laptops at the moment. The app only works for the general version of Bandlab, not for the educational versions. Once you get into Bandlab, you'll see that it's opened up the settings for your recording. Now, I've got various different equipment plugged into my computer, so this is actually registering a different sound card. What you're actually probably looking for is the internal microphone, or the default for what you've got built in. So you can see now I've changed that, and that is now my laptop microphone, which is picking up what I am doing. You do not want monitoring on at the moment. That will mean that you can hear back what is coming through the microphone, but it can cause other issues, so don't do that. So first thing I want you to do is rename your project. I want you to call it House Music. And actually at this stage, you might want to put your name in it as well.